What's up guys, welcome to the vlog, and for the first time, welcome to the vlog in 360 degrees. So if you are watching this video on your phone, just move the phone around and you can look around. If you're on a computer, you can use your mouse or WASD to look around. So today we are at Rotary Park in front of the waterfall. Now you may remember my waterfall video way back from vlogging Wyoming number 6, but now it's winter and it's frozen over. So for a certain period of the year, it's just a frozen block of ice. This place is usually filled with sound, but this time of year it's dead quiet. This is one of my very favorite hangout spots in Casper. It's very nice to just sort of escape from the city, escape from the town, and just come to this very beautiful canyon with a very nice stream running through. Obviously it's frozen over right now, but when it's here, it's really serene and really nice. Rotary Park is absolutely a place that you should visit if you are ever around here in Casper. It's very different, it's very peaceful, and there are hiking spots all over the place. There's a very nice observation deck, multiple observation decks where you can view the waterfall, you can view the city below. And yeah, getting here is a little more hazardous in the winter, but man, is it beautiful out. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. This was a bit of an experiment, so don't worry, I'm not going to do 360 videos that often. But if I come across a place where the format is really handy, then yeah, I'll break out the camera. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Take care.